Do our animals understand our traumas even if we have been through them in the past? Hi, my name is Akshaya Kavle. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species and have two-way conversations with them. I've also been a tarot card reader, and now I integrate both these modalities to help me connect better with nature and animals around me. In a recent conversation I was having with a cat, the cat mentioned that the human is going through a lot of trauma that she had faced in the past and it has resurfaced. I did mention this to the human, and the human confirmed that there are things that she is struggling with. Just to ensure that I'm getting the proper messages and to bring in more tangibility to the communication, I pulled out the cards for communicating with the cat. And the card that came up was the Three of Swords. Now, the Three of Swords is a card of heartbreak, and that is what the animal wished to convey. The animal knew that the human is going through the heartbreak of having to go through the same trauma again and wanted to provide support. As I was talking to the human also confirmed and hence asked further guidance from her cat to help her deal with the situation better. The cat wanted the human to understand that there is a possibility that the human is going through the cycle and loop of trauma because it is an opportunity she has to change her decision making and change her patterns to ensure that she gets out of this loop. The cat also specifically mentioned that this is something the human should take up seriously and look for professional help. While she was more than happy to help her human with the guidance that she could provide at a spiritual level, she also felt it was extremely important for the human to take the right guidance from the right therapist and professional. So it was her way, the cat's way of telling her human that it's fine to feel like this, and hence it is all the more better if she finds the right people to bring her the help that she needs to cope through the trauma that she is going through. This is how animal communication can not only help us understand what the animal is feeling, but also allow the animal to guide us on the right track. Please note that as communicators, we do not trespass into the territories of other professionals such as doctors and behaviorists for the animals. But even in such cases where the human is going through something and the animal shares what the human is going through, it is very important for us to guide the humans to the right professionals to get the right help they need. And in this case, the cat proved to be a great guide to the human because she really urged the human to find the help and to get the help she needs and she deserves. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you've had such experiences, please do mention them in the comment section below so that we can all learn from each other. Until the next video, bye-bye.